வீடியோவை லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். வெல்கம் டு திஸ் வீடியோ பார்ட் 58. It gives PGTRB physics questions and answers with explanation. Question 1. According to binomial theorem, the probability of R successors in n independent real is option A NCR P power R Q power n minus 1, B NCR Q power n minus 1 into P power R, C NCR P power R Q power n minus R, D NCR Q power n plus R P power R. Option A, Q to the power of n minus 1 is given instead of Q to the power of n minus R. Similarly, option B is also given, and option D, Q to the power of n plus R is given. It is also wrong. So option C, NCR P power R Q to the power of n minus R is the correct answer. Question 2. According to which statistics the energy at absolute zero cannot be zero? Option A, Fermi-Dirac. Option B, Maxwell-Boltzmann. C, Bose-Einstein. D, both Maxwell-Boltzmann and Bose-Einstein. Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics energy is zero, and Bose-Einstein statistics energy is also zero. So option B, C and D are eliminated. Hence the correct answer is option A, Fermi-Dirac. Question 3. When the multiplication factor k equal to 1, then the reactor is said to be option A, supercritical, B, critical, C, off control, D, subcritical. When k is greater than 1, supercritical, k is less than 1, subcritical, C, off control is not possible. So options A, C and D are eliminated. Hence the correct answer is option B, critical, k equal to 1. Question 4. Nuclear force is option A, charge independent, B, very weak force, C, long range force, D, repulsive in nature. First we consider option B. It is a strong force, but here weak force is given, so it is wrong. Then second, C option, it's a short range force, but here long range force is given, so it is also wrong. Option D, it is a Coulomb force, but here repulsive in nature is given, so options B, C and D are eliminated. Then the correct answer is option A, charge independent. Question 5. According to the theorem of equipartition of energy, the average energy corresponding to temperature T is option A, 1 by 2, option B, 3 by 2 kT, option C, kT, option D, kT by 2. Here options A and C are incorrect. B denotes mean kinetic energy of the molecule. So options A, B, C can be eliminated. The correct answer is option D, kT divided by 2. Question 6. The non-polar molecule is option A, water, B, glass, C, CHCl3, D, benzene. Water, glass, CHCl3 are examples of polar molecules, so they are eliminated. The correct answer is option D, benzene. Question 7. The conservation of charge is represented by option A, div j plus dou rho by dou t equal to 0. Option B, div j plus dou square rho divided by dou t square equal to 0. C, div rho plus dou j by dou t equal to 0. D, div j minus dou rho by dou t equal to 0. Option B, dou square rho by dou t square is given, so it is wrong. Then option C, dou j by dou t is given. It is wrong. In option D, div j and dou rho by dou t, in between them minus symbol is given. So it is also wrong. So option A, div j plus dou rho by dou t equal to 0 is the correct answer. Question 8. The total power radiated by an oscillating dipole is proportional to option A omega, B omega square, C omega power 4, D omega cube. In this question, options A, B and D are incorrect. Therefore, they are eliminated. The correct option is C omega to the power of 4. Question 9. According to Hermite's polynomial, H2n0 is option A 1 power n 2 n factorial divided by n factorial, B 2n factorial divided by n factorial, C minus 1 to the power of n 2n divided by n factorial, D minus 1 to the power of n 2n factorial divided by n factorial. Option A and B minus 1 to the power of n is not given, so it is wrong. Then option C 2n factorial is not given, so it is also wrong. So options A, B and C can be eliminated. Correct option is option D minus 1 to the power of n 2n factorial divided by n factorial. Question 10. The reduced mass mu of a system of two particles is option A mu equal to m1 m2 divided by m1 minus m2, B mu equal to 1 by m1 plus 1 by m2, C mu equal to m1 plus m2 divided by m1 m2, D 1 by mu equal to 1 by m1 plus 1 by m2. We know that reduced mass mu equal to m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. So if we simplify the option D, we get the right answer. Question 11. The presence of 3 unpaired electrons is explained by A. Pauli's exclusion principle, B. Hund's rule, C. Uncertainty principle, D. Principle of Raman effect. If we consider the option B, the outermost shell is p shell. It has 3 orbitals. Each orbital can accommodate 2 electrons. Thus, each of 3 electrons occupies 1 orbital and the remaining is unpaired. So, option B is correct. The options A, C and D are incorrect. They are eliminated. Question 12. For hydrogen atom, A. The ground state is degenerate. B. The excited states are degenerate. C. The energy spectrum is discrete and equally spaced. D. The excited states are non-degenerate. Options A, C and D are eliminated since they are incorrect. We consider the option B. The ground state of hydrogen is not degenerate since it corresponds to only one state. The second excited state H2 has degeneracy. So it is correct. Question 13. The radiation resistance of a half wave antenna is option A 36 ohm, B 60 ohm, C 80 ohm, D 50 ohm. Options A, B and D are incorrect. They are eliminated. Hence the correct option is C 80 ohms. Question 14. The instruction move B, A is option A copies A into B, B copies B into A, C moves B into A, D moves A into B. Options B, C and D are eliminated because they are incorrect. Hence, the correct option is option A, copies A into B. Question 15. The principle of least action for conservative system is option A, integral of summation Pj q dot j dt equal to 0, B, delta integral of summation P dot j q dot j equal to 0, C, delta integral value of summation P q dot dt equal to 0, D, integral of summation P of j q j dt equal to 0. Option A, before integral delta is not given. Option B, B dot is given, it is wrong. Option D, Q dot is not given. So A, B and D are eliminated. The correct option is option C, delta integral value of summation Pj Q dot j dt equal to 0. Question 16. In superconductors, the magnetic induction B is always option A infinity, option B 1, option C greater than 1, option D 0. In this question, options A, B and C are incorrect. They are eliminated. The correct option is D 0. Question 17. The spin of Cooper pair is option A 0, option B 1, option C 1 by 2, D 2. BCS theory accounts for a superconducting state formed from pair of electrons k up and k down. These Cooper pair act as bosons. So options B, C and D are eliminated. The correct option is option A 0. Question 18. Curie-Weiss law is option A, psi m equal to C by T, B, psi equal to C divided by T minus theta, C, psi m equal to C divided by T plus theta, D, psi equal to T minus theta divided by C. Options A, C and D are incorrect. They are eliminated. The correct option is B, psi equal to C divided by T minus theta. Question 19. According to Debye's theory, the specific heat of a solid at low temperature is proportional to option A T square, option B T cube, option C T power minus 3, option D T. Eliminate the options A, C and D since they are wrong. The correct option is B T power 3. Question 20. The expectation value of any quantity f is option A, integral value of psi star f square psi d tau divided by integral of psi star psi d tau. Option B, integral of psi square f psi d tau divided by integral of psi star psi d tau. C, integral of psi star f psi d tau divided by integral of psi star psi d tau. D, integral of psi star psi d tau divided by integral of psi star f square psi d tau. If we consider the option A, f square is wrongly given, option B, psi square is wrongly given, option D, in denominator, f square is wrongly given. So, options A, B and D are eliminated. The correct option is option C, integral of psi star f psi d tau divided by integral value of psi star psi d tau. Question 21. The Schrodinger's time-independent wave equation for a free particle is option A, del square psi plus 2m divided by h cross square into E psi equal to 0. B, del square psi plus 2m divided by h cross square B psi equal to 0. C, del square psi plus 2m by h cross square into e minus v psi equal to 0. D. Del square psi plus 2m divided by h cross square into v minus e into psi equal to 0. For a free particle v equal to 0. So options B, C and D are incorrect. They are eliminated. Option is A is correct. Del square psi plus 2m by h cross square e psi equal to 0. Question 22. The rest energy of an electron in electron volt is option A 0.51 mega electron volt, option B 0.37 mega electron volt, C 0.45 mega electron volt, D 0.82 mega electron volt. Options B, C and D are incorrect. They are eliminated. The correct option is A 0.51 mega electron volt. We know that Einstein's mass energy relation E equal to mc square, m equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg, c equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second square. Substitute the value of m and c in the above equation. We get the value of 0.51 mega electron volt. Hence the correct option is A. Question 23. For an atom, the electric quadrupole interaction occurs only when the nuclear spin value is option A greater than half, B plus half, C minus half, D 0. Options B, C and D are incorrect. They are eliminated. The correct option is A greater than 1 by 2. Question 24. The diamagnetic behavior of superconductor is option A London effect, B Meissner effect, C AC Josephson effect, D DC Josephson effect. In option A, London equations are obtained from BCS theory, so it is wrong. In option C and D, Josephson effect, insulating layer of 2 nanometer thick material is used, so it is also wrong. Hence the correct option is B Meissner effect. Question 25. E vector cross H vector represents A intensity of magnetic field, B flow of energy through unit area, C intensity of electric field, D rate of flow of energy through unit area. E cross H represents Poynting vector. So options A, B and C are incorrect. They are eliminated. The correct option is D. Question 26. Magnetic induction B vector at a point P of r theta pi due to an oscillating dipole. Option A varies as 1 by sin theta, B varies as sin theta, C varies as sin square theta, D varies as 1 by sin square theta. Options A, C and D are eliminated because they are incorrect. Hence the correct option is B varies as sin theta. Question 27. The phase space is option A 6n dimensional space, B 3n dimensional space, C Minkowski's space, D momentum space. If we consider the option B, single particle moves in 3-dimensional space. Consider the C, it is a 4-dimensional space. Option D, momentum has 3-dimensional space. So B, C and D are eliminated. The correct option is option A 6n dimensional space. Question 28. The moment of inertia coefficient is expressed as option A IYZ, B IXY, C IXX, D IZX. Consider the option A IYZ is equal to IZY, option B IXY equal to IYX, Option D, Izx is equal to Ixz. So they are incorrect. So options A, B and D are eliminated. The correct option is C, Ixx. Question 29. The compound probability of two independent events is option A, P of AB equal to P of A into P of B by A. B, P of AB equal to P of A into P of B. C, P of AB equal to P of A plus P of B. D, P of AB equal to P of A minus P of B. Option A denotes conditional probability. Option C, mutually exclusive events. Option D, incorrect to this question. So options A, C and D are eliminated. The correct option is option B, P of AB equal to P of A dot B of B. Question 30. If Pnx is the Legendre's polynomial of order n, then Pn of minus x is option A, minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 Pn into x. B, Pn into x. C, 0. D, minus 1 to the power of n Pnx. Options A, B, C are incorrect. They are eliminated. The correct option is option D, minus 1 to the power of n Pn of x. Question 31. Hermite's differential equation is given by option A, x y double dash plus 1 minus x y dash plus ny equal to 0. Option B, y double dash minus 2x y dash plus 2ny equal to 0. C, y double dash minus 2xy dash minus 2ny equal to 0. D, 1 minus x square into y double dash minus 2xy dash plus n into n plus 1 into y equal to 0. Option A represents Laguerre's equation. Option D represents Legendre's equation. Option C is not related to the Hermite's differential equation. So options A, C and D are eliminated. The correct option is option B, y double dash minus 2xy dash plus 2ny equal to 0. Question 32. The beta and gamma functions are related as option A, beta mn equal to gamma mn divided by gamma m plus n. B, beta mn equal to gamma m plus n divided by gamma n. C, beta mn equal to gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. D, beta mn equal to gamma n gamma m plus n. Options A, B and D are incorrect. They are eliminated. The correct option is C, beta mn equal to gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. Question 33. The value of gamma minus n is option A 0, B 1, C minus infinity, D infinity. Options A, B, C are eliminated since they are incorrect. Option D, infinity is the correct answer. Question 34. A problem is given to 3 students ABC whose chances of solving it are 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 respectively. The probability that the problem is solved is option A 1 by 3, B 3 by 4, C 1 by 4, D 1 by 2. In this question, correct option is B 3 by 4. It is explained in detail. We know that P of A union B union C equal to P of A plus B of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus B of A intersection C minus P of B intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. It is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. Simplifying, we get 4 plus 3 plus 6 divided by 12 minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 24. Once again simplifying, we get 26 plus 1 minus 2 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 24. Simplifying once again, we get the value of 3 by 4. Question 35. A square matrix A is said to be Hermitian if option A equal to A transpose conjugate, B A transpose conjugate into A equal to I, C A transpose equal to minus A, D A transpose equal to minus A. Option B denotes unitary, option C and D denotes anti-Hermitian, so they are incorrect, they are eliminated. The correct option is A equal to A transpose conjugate. Question 36. A square finite matrix A is a unitary matrix if option A equal to A transpose conjugate, B A transpose conjugate into A equal to I, C A transpose is equal to minus A, D A star equal to A. Option A denotes Hermitian, option C denotes anti-Hermitian, option D denotes symmetric matrix. So options A, C and D are eliminated. The correct option is B, A transpose conjugate into A equal to I is the correct answer. Question 37. If A transpose A equal to I for a square matrix A, then the matrix is option A orthogonal matrix, B Hermitian matrix, C unitary matrix, D skew symmetric matrix. Consider the option B. Hermitian matrix means A transpose conjugate equal to minus A. Consider the option C. Unitary matrix A transpose conjugate into A equal to I. Then option D. Skew symmetric matrix means A dash is equal to minus A. So options B, C and D are eliminated. The correct option is A. Orthogonal matrix. Question 38. The eigenvalues of the matrix 1 0 0, 0 1 1, 0 1 1 are given by option A 0 1 2, B 1 2 3, C 2 3 4, D 0 2 3. Option A is correct. It is explained in detail. We know that A minus lambda I equal to 0. Substitute the value of A and I in the equation. We get 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 minus lambda into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 equal to 0. Then simplifying 1 minus lambda 0 0 0 1 minus lambda 1 0 1 1 minus lambda. Simplifying we get 1 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda square minus 1 equal to 0. Then factorizing we get the value of lambda equal to 0 1 2. Question 39. The matrix A equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Option A orthogonal matrix, B symmetric matrix, C unitary matrix, D Hermitian matrix. We know that A transpose equal to I. So options B, C and D are eliminated. The correct option is A orthogonal matrix. Question 40. In terms of scalar and vector potentials, the electric field intensity E vector is expressed as option A, E vector equal to minus del V minus dou A by dou T, B, E vector equal to minus del V plus dou A divided by dou T, C, E vector equal to del V plus dou A by dou T, D, E vector equal to del A minus dou square A by dou T square. Options B and C, minus dou A by dou T is not given, so they are wrong. In option D, minus del V is not given, so it is also wrong. Hence the correct option is A, E vector equal to minus del V minus dou A by dou T. Question 41. Fermi-Dirac statistics is applied to system of option A, identical and indistinguishable particles, B, identical and distinguishable particles, C, identical and indistinguishable particles obeying Pauli's exclusion principle, D, identical and distinguishable particles obeying Pauli's exclusion principle. Fermi-Dirac statistics obeys Pauli's exclusion principle. So options A and B are incorrect. In option D, particles are distinguishable given, but Fermi-Dirac statistics particles are indistinguishable. So option D is also eliminated. The correct option is C, identical and indistinguishable particles obeying Pauli's exclusion principle. நம்ம சேனலை மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.